In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. If you are struggling to connect this OPPO to printer, don't worry, you are not an only one. That's why I decided to create this video to show you how to do that step by step. Begin by opening Settings. Now tap on Connection and Sharing, and when you're ready, select Print. Following that, you can either tap on Default Print Service or select Add Print Service and download any app from your Play Store. Your new print service will appear over here. Wherever you decided, click on a chosen one. I will stick with my default. And click on gray switcher to activate it. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. Quick tip though, if you still can't connect, you can tap on this plus at the top right corner. It's only visible when print service is enabled. And here you can tap on Search by IP address, input it and select Add to connect your printer manually. Or if your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, click on this option called Search for Wi-Fi direct printers. Tap on Allow for this option to work. And wait! Your device is now looking for your printer. When it finds one, it will appear over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!